burning down the house. I feel like that was kind of Jenga-y. Oh yeah, those 3 calculators at your table group, please put them back in the bin at the end of class. Or if you're not using them, just put them in the bin. Oh yeah, your class did win yesterday. You want to see the results?
Yeah.
Because, you know, it's just a little braggy brag. Let me make sure I'm not going to put anyone's first last name up here. Alright, so y'all were ring 66. They only made it to 64. They were close. They were trying. But they were at 64. You guys were at 66. I will come around with suckers. Next question, because we're probably close to being done on this one. Jeremiah, how are you guys doing? You don't need to be done yet. I'm just checking in. I need to make sure I have this answer. You are solving for X. You guys got it? All right. So, actually, I'm going to do somebody from a different team to figure out. So, pick a card.
What?
Whoever reaches for, I don't care. Pick a card. So.
Lydia's not here.
Oh, why did I put you guys back in here? Pick another card. You're going to pick Carter. Watch.
Will.
Will. What is the value of X?
Wait. 12.
And how did you get it? That's less important than 12 is correct. But do you want to tell us how you got it?
Sure. So, I thought 20 plus like what equals 90 degrees, and that's 70. So 6x minus 2 equals 70.
Yeah. So.
Add 2, and then 72, and you just have to divide by 6.
Boom. Come on up, or somebody from your team. I don't care who comes up. And then you guys get to pick whichever mathematician you want. Eva, give us a number that still exists.
1.
1 is the loneliest number, or so they say. Sometimes I like to be alone. What is the value of X?
You can pick which one.
They each made their own contributions to math. If you don't know what they did, it doesn't really matter who you pick. Pythagoras was all about right triangles. He did a whole lot more, but that's why people know him. His right triangle stuff. Some of these questions will be quick, some will take a bit longer. It's only fair like here and let one of you get for them. I think who goes next. When you guys are ready, tell me. When you guys are ready, let me know. I don't know if we need to draw the whole thing out, but up to you guys.
Oh.
You ready? Okay, because I'm trying to hopefully get through all these questions if we can. Jack, because that was the other card drawn. What is the value of X?
25.
Y. What angle relationship is that?
Vertical.
Vertical angles. You could also get your way through with another, like you could do a No, this one does not work with supplementary. Sorry, there's another one that you could do supplementaries with. Hint, hint, nudge, nudge. Send someone to the tower. See, now you got to figure out who's going because one person chooses the thing. Lila, after all the confusion you created, pick a number. I'm just blaming you for the groups getting weird, but it's fine.
No! Whoopsie!
Yelling no did not help anything.
That hurt my ears.
So that's a -6 for whatever mathematician you claim. And then let's rebuild the tower. Lila, pick a number though. 6. Hey, for the record, you guys made me reset the tower that you said looked sketchy, and it lasted 1 turn. In the future, I might just reject you saying reset the tower. I might just keep it the same. What is the value of x? Be careful. Do not assume. Well, never mind. You should be able to figure this out. There are two straight lines here, and there's one ray. Right? There are two straight lines here, and there's one just ray. Right? One of them is not a continuous line. It's just a ray. Remember what a ray is? It's got an end point and then an arrow on the other end. All right, thank you, construction team. Let's see if it stays up longer. Look, she went for it. I also love how big you wrote the -6. Like, you're proud of it. You're like, whatever, it happened. Then you can make a comeback, right? You take an early, like, you sandbag early. You make people think that you're not a competitor, and then you can come back. Yes, you guys are ready? All right, Liam. Head who from their team is going to go see. Arnya, what is the value of x here? It's what? 15? How did you get that? So if we look at these as our straight lines, right, Arnya is saying we need to add 45 and 15 to then be equal to the 4x, and if 4x is equal to 60, I think you said, then we get x is 15. Questions? All right. 6 is gone. Send someone to the tower. Kyrie, pick a number. 13. Lucky number 13. Ooh, one with just words, no visual. Top left of the board. Check your points there. Alright, so what if I use a putter to try to get a Jenga block?
Oh, don't. I'm proudest moment. Oh, do the top one if you were trying to do that. It could work if you were hard enough. Good job, Mr. Hudson. What happened?
You got the top block off. It already fell. What happened then? Ah, look. What? It's not like there's a recording of everything that happened in this room. It's fine. It's fine. It's totally fine. You guys missed a fun day today.
Oh wait.
I was looking at the camera. You gotta break the fourth wall occasionally. You know this, Jack.
Yeah. You said that you were going to do next question.
ADD is real, Jack. ADD is real. Since you keep reminding me, you're gonna have first choice. I am resetting LearnStorm during Discovery Days. Sorry about it. Can you what? Yeah, I just gotta do suckers before I keep forgetting.
Sure, no. Yeah.
You good? I'm gonna force sugar on you. My Sharona. Alright, now we still haven't had the same person get picked. So, Ooh, they made it happen! Kyrie, you are also our answer person, and you chose the question. I guess I'm assuming that you guys are ready. Are you guys ready? Alright, Kyrie. If it's a supplementary pair, and one is 1/16, how big is the other? Thank you for making it a bit louder, because, hearing damage. X is 64 is correct, because supplementary adds to what? 180. Alright, 13 is gone. Send someone to the tower. We're on the second lap. Aaron, pick our next question. 14. What is the value of X? Ooh, a middle one, playing it safe. Just trying to get score on the board. Alright, the Euclids picking up 7 points. Yeah. Middle, outer, power falls.
I'm not getting the question right at that point.
Jack. If I must do it again, like every time we play Jenga and you guys think I don't know what I'm talking about, this is how we get 7. This is how we get 9. This is how we get -6. I promise you, I'm not trying to mess with you guys. I've been doing this for a few years.
Oh, thanks for teaching me how to jump a dead battery.
You watched that?
Yeah, I did.
I made some of those during COVID because I was just bored, and I think that's what I did as FCO or something.
He made videos
You guys might
about
as well pick
our
one
stuff,
of whoever.
and the one I watched was about jumping a dead battery.
Ooh, we had 2 in a row where the person who chose the question gets to give the answer. Aaron, are you guys ready? All right, X is how much? Absolutely, because we use our algebraic skills of equation solving. We would subtract 50 from both. By the way, today is Shama's last day at Phoenix. Just by the way, so if you'd like to yell on both sides at her when you see her in the hallway, she's moving to Olentangy. So she'll probably come back for canteens, maybe bowling, whatever we let her back for. But by the way, once you're a Phoenix, you're always a Phoenix. So travel. You can always come with us as an alumni on the international trips. So if you don't go with us while you're here as a student, you can come back as an alumni and go with us on those international trips. All right, Aaron, send someone to the tower. 14 is gone. Caroline, pick our next number. 2. Solve for X again. I mean, you can't get any extra points for it, but you can if you want. But if you knock the tower over, you do take the 10. Here, well, while you're up here. Nolan, what is our value of X here? 50. Through those fun algebra skills again, which is telling me you guys are going to be very ready when we assign those next homeworks. All right, send someone to the tower. Looks like that's going to be Jack. Our next question picker. Nope, you did it last time. Arnya, pick a question. 7. I seriously feel like if I assigned all the next homeworks, you guys would get bored over the next few days and just do all of them. Because, this is what's upcoming. Is us putting the algebra together with the geometry. And, yeah. Jack, while you're up here, pick who's going to give us the answer. Thank you, sir. Lila, give us that answer. X is 15. Because, again, we have a vertical pair of angles here. Chase, give us our next question. 12. What is the name? But wait, I need all... I'm looking for all 3 names we can give this angle. But in this case, there are 2 that are safe to use, one that is not safe. We want to discuss all of them. What I'm looking for is the 2 different names for this angle. There are 3, but one of them is unsafe to use here. What is the name of the indicated angle? You should be able to give me 2. There's a third one that we can't use here. And we're going to discuss why we can't use that. Here.
Freddy Krueger.
Kira! No, let me pause the music. Man, I'm not keeping like a really strict order of these things. I'm just trying to get through these problems. Kira! Actually, let's do this. Kira, give me one of them. And if we were writing this, we'd want to make sure that we use an angle symbol. D, A, D. Chase, give me another one. D, A, E. Kyrie, what can't we use? What name of this angle could be used but can't be used here? That is not accurate. That's not the name. That's not even AED would actually be coming out here. It'd be trying to make an angle here. So we'll throw it to Liam. Liam, do you know the name of this that we can't use here? So this is why I wanted to review it. This does not make them get it wrong. Chase? Nope. Caroline? Nope. You could call this, well, I already wrote it up there, but do you know why we can't use it here? Angle A. This is angle A. If it was just a single angle, we could call it angle A. But here, angle A could be that angle. It could be this 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 angle, because A is the vertex of all of those angles. So we need to get in the habit, and I think Khan did a good job of this, 3-point angle notation. You start at one endpoint, go through the intersection, and then to the other, like EAD. Or if you flip that process around, start at D, go through the intersection, go to the endpoint, D, A, E. Very good. Sentinel of the Tower. That was, I don't know, 12? Yep, that was 12.
Oh, that looks like we said 13. No, we have 3. I was trying to do plus 3. Can I change our score because it looks like it says 13?
Yeah, it does look like it says 13. Vivian! Pick our next number. 8. Solve for X. Oh, I almost got it again.
It's made of straight lines. It's made of straight lines. No, look. This line.
Points don't matter that much. If somebody messed up the scoreboard, it's like whatever. It's really just for bragging rights. Who what? Oh, you're talking about the tower?
So this is straight line.
What about the question? Because it's heading towards what we're about to learn about, which involves parallel lines. So we don't really need the second line here, right? But what we're about to learn about involves sets of parallel lines with a transversal. That is why. Vivian, you ready? Let's see if we can do this together. Your whole team, all of you at once. The size of angle X is very disappointing. But yes, that is the right answer. Got to get some more team synergy back there. Send someone to the tower. You guys. Madeline, pick our next number. 3. Do you guys have something against like the green and the oil? It's like the same color has. Apparently, you guys don't like green. What is the size of angle X? Yep, you got 30 seconds to do that. All right, how we doing, Madeline? Ready? All right, sorry, Norman Greenbaum. All right, X, do you guys want to try to be better than their team all together sort of thing? All right, your whole team together at the same time. The size of X is
100!
See, that's, well, they didn't say degrees, but I'll let that slide. At least they sounded like a team. All right, 100 degrees. Send someone to the tower. Well, I know. The degrees is there in the answer box. I know. Harrison, pick our next number. 5. See, get rid of that yellow. No thought went into it. What is the size of X here? Feels like it might be a little different than the ones we just had.
Oh, not from the same. This
Because they do like 100 people surveyed said, you know what I mean? Like I literally think they just go places where people are, and they just like whoever will answer the question. We should do like a Phoenix thing. Like 100 middle schoolers surveyed said, like what is the best middle school class? What? Okay, I know the answer for which class assigns the most homework. Do I win that award, the most homework award? Jack! The microphone is right here. Your belches are going to be in this video. I'm very sorry.
8 out of 10, Jack.
I would show you, but I don't want to put anyone else in the video that doesn't want to be in it. Yes! Let's do, well, here, okay, we'll make it fair. Somebody pick a card.
I want to. I always get
Lila!
Again, jeez, why do I keep?
What'd you get for X? 58 degrees. Why'd you decide 58? Ah, this indicates a right angle, making those a what kind of pair? Complementary. Send someone to the tower. We're getting there. Kira, pick a question. 4, watch out. There's a ball coming up. Yeah, this wasn't my bad. I think I put the same question on here twice. We're going to skip that one. Sorry, pick another number, Kira. 10. What is the value of X here? Aha. This one's way more fun.
Wait. Oh, so 54.
I'm nervous to hit it low.
60. Yeah, so 60. Nice. I should color it in. It'll be how abstract.
Sorry, that was kind of loud. What? I just missed.
My brain separating.
Because it hit this cabinet, which I might be, debating if I need it or not. Now that we're doing less work on pizza.
Interesting. I don't think it's. I actually saw it hate. There was like jars of subcategories right next to the table. And I think 42.
All right, Kira's team. I heard you discussing it. I'm guessing you might be ready.
No, you're very much not ready. I can assure you, we're not ready.
I think that's a lie.
It is a lot. Maybe give them a hot second.
It's not a steal on that. Oh, you just want to pick a card. Why show me guys my magic trick? I have to put your team back together because I need like a deck. It's been way more than one. One 1,000, one Mississippi, one. I don't know what else to say for a second.
One. Whatever the answer is, it's not 6.
It's not.
It is 6. No, it's not.
I don't know what's going on back there. I don't know if there's sarcasm happening or.
I'm saying it's 6. They all said it's something different.
Give us the answer.
Liam, are you confident enough to say, "Forget you, team. I'm answering for us"?
Yes.
Liam, why do you think it's 6?
Because it's a line across makes it 180, and you subtract 90 because of the right angle, so it leaves another right angle, and 90 minus 64 is 36.
That's not 64.
Yeah, we know what he meant.
Yeah. And then you get 36, and then x plus 5x equals 6x, and 36 divided by 6 is 6.
X is 6. Liam, you should come to the tower since you took over for your team there.
I'll go.
And our last question, just for bragging rights. Ooh, there's 9 or 15. Shout out what you want. I don't.
27.
That's not a question. 27 doesn't exist.
I want
Exactly. That's why we should have it.
Fine, 15. How big is X? No! I tried to yell no. It again didn't do anything. All right, well, that's perfect timing. Hold up. Let's try this as a class answer. Let's see if we get some synergy here. So, hold on. Figure out your answer. Figure out your answer. All together now. The size of angle X is?
60.
It's 60 because 30 would come up here, right? So this would be 30, leaving us with 60. Have a great day. If you'd like to rebuild the tower, stick around and do that. Alright, Lila, you want to see my magic trick? It's not dropping cards on the floor. Alright, pick a card. You need to remember what the card is or whose name is on it, but show it to your team. You too. Oh yeah, today's kind of like Friday, but it's a full-length school day. In case that got confused, it's full-length school day. Put it in the deck somewhere. You don't even know that it's right on top. Alright, so here's the question, Lila. Do you believe that you are magic?
Guys, I just
Well, this
realized.
isn't our work if you don't believe that you're magic. Alright, so Lila, I need you to knock on the deck and say flippity flop in your best magician voice. You're gonna need to try. Aren't you gonna give it a shot? We need some assistance. There we go. All right, hold on. Let's see if it works. Yeah. It works easier with younger kids. All right, get out of here. You want to rebuild the tower? What are you hanging out for?
Dude, once you know how motion trick works, then you like can figure out.
It's misdirection. Yeah, it's all misdirection.